Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create Facebook cover videos in VideoCreator, a cloud-based video creation app with which you can create different types of videos using professionally designed, pre-made or done-for-you templates. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to check my review video on VideoCreator. So here I'm logged into my VideoCreator account. Click on this Create Video button, and you'll see all the video templates that you have access to. They are organized in various categories in this left side panel. I'll go to the Facebook covers video section, and it'll display all the templates in this category. Let me scroll down, and I'll choose this one. You can click this preview button to get a preview of the template, and then click on Use this template, and it'll open the video editor. These steps will depend on the type of video templates you choose. Let me scroll down. So let's start with the image. This template comes with 2 image placeholders. I'll click on this Add Image button, and you'll see this dialog box pop up. You can choose images from Pixabay, Pexels, and JumpStory. You can also use this Upload button to upload your own images, which is what I'll do. I'll choose this image and click Open. And as you can see, the image has been added here. Next, I'll click on the second Add Image button for the logo image. I'll choose my logo image and click Select. And as you can see, the image has been added here. I'll click Next. Next, we need to enter a text. I'll enter text in this box, like so. You can also click this Font button if you wish to change the default font. I'll stick with the default font. So I went ahead and added the rest of the text. You can click these images. For example, if I click this one, to get a better look at how the elements are placed. Let me close this, and I'll click Next. Here you can change the colors for various elements like text, shapes, and background. I'll leave them as default and click Proceed. In this final step, you can check this box if you want to receive an email notification once the video has rendered, and finally click the Proceed button. It will start the rendering process, and the time it takes to render will depend on each template. This one rendered in less than 5 minutes. And once it's rendered, you can preview it and download it to your computer, like so. And here's how the Facebook cover video came out.